It's
because you're stupid,
it
Zach.
says it's publishing YouTube broadcast. Okay, it's working this time. Wait, oh shoot, I probably screwed it up again. I'm live, but I don't think the thumbnail works. Okay. Welcome to the stream.
Welcome to the stream, guys.
I hope the
Gonna be
thumbnail works.
making game live, guys.
Okay, of course it doesn't work. It doesn't, of course. Okay. We're gonna. Should I just do it without the thumbnail?
Dude, just go. Just literally go.
Just go. No.
Also, by the way, I did most of the work on this game because, like, Zach was like, how about I don't work on the game?
Okay.
And I was like, okay, I will.
Yeah, take 3. Okay, hopefully this time it decides to,
Mod.
So it doesn't work, but I don't really care. Okay. Main. Should switch over. Okay. Switching over. I'll mod you.
Because, like, Zach was like, how about I don't work on the game?
Okay. Type in chat and I will mod you.
Also, chat doesn't work for the stream.
Okay, you're a moderator. Okay.
Chat doesn't work
So,
for the stream.
what? Yes, it does. You just typed in chat. Oh, this was the... Wait. Okay. So, welcome to the stream. So, I just did this cool thing. So, let's see if it's good. So, let me know what you think of this. So, I saw Danny's Carlson thing where he did some kind of, like... Shut up. Where he did some kind of, like, pick-up object thing, and it looked pretty cool. So, I tried to duplicate it, and this was the product. So, you can, like, fling objects around, and you could throw them off. Well, just this cube, not anything else. But I can, like, woohoo, knock it off. Get stuck on the ground because there's a collider down there, but... You know, we can do some...
Because you're bad. You're a bad game programmer person.
Okay. Yeah, so we can swing this cube around.
Guys, Zach is a bad programmer person, by the way. If you didn't know that. Bad programmer
I'm a bad
person.
programmer person, guys. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much what I just did. That was pretty cool. And if you're wondering, this project is pretty much just parkour with some bouncies and the sky. But this isn't what I'm going to be working on this stream. This stream, I am going to be working on a plane game, a plane flying simulator mobile game. And
that I have done, me and Henry have done most of the work on.
It is being worked on by me, Fradzy Genius, and Henry Lang.
Yeah, we're not going to talk about the fact that you wrote like one line of code for the whole game.
Shut up. Shut. Wait, hey! Why'd you delete iThunder's messages?
Because he asked to be mod.
Yeah, I know, but he's a mod on my Discord, so maybe I should mod him. I don't know.
Okay, can you start the stream by just
iThunder, type in chat and I'll mod you. But
can you just start the stream by going over everything that I've built so far?
Yeah, alright, so we have 1 viewer. Let's go. 1 viewer, 2 viewers, let's go. So, iThunder, if you're one of these viewers, if you type in chat, I'll mod you. But basically, you can throw this block off. It's pretty epic. Bye-bye, block. One. Yeah. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm going to open up the other project now. Fly Wings. That is the name of the game. Oh, okay. iThunder's here. Add mod. You're a mod, iThunder. So if anyone else wants to become a mod on this channel,
why is his message
I don't know.
held for review?
I don't know. But if anyone else wants to become a mod on this channel, if you're at if you're on streams
mod
regularly,
everybody who's watching.
Nah, if you're on streams regularly, like if I see you on a few streams and you're there from the beginning to end, you're participating in chat, you know, then I'd mod you if I'd mod you. But yeah. So this is basically the game that is being worked on. You have to go through rings to get speed. Your speed bar is on the side. and
Who
you
built
get a
this-
score,
Just
a
go
high
over really quick. Who
score.
built the speed bar?
That was Henry actually, but I did the
Okay.
score and high score. It's
Go
pretty
over
epic.
who made the rings. Go over who made the clouds. Go over
So
who
Henry made
made
the
the plane.
rings, Freddy made the clouds, I drew the
Ma-
plane, Freddy made the plane movement script. The menu is a work in progress by me and Henry,
Henry.
and this game is pretty epic. And the death particle was my death particle that Freddy copied and made. Yes. Okay.
Not really.
Yes. Alright. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be working
You want to
on.
say I copied literally every explosion particle system is like literally the same thing.
Oh, I know.
Okay, it's
Alright,
like-
so Ethan, currently I didn't work on as much 2%. No, I didn't work on as much of the project as Freddy and Henry, but I have done a decent share, and I'm gonna work on it more. I was just working on some. I'm gonna mute you. I was just working on some other projects, but now I'm gonna I'm gonna work on it. That's what I'm doing this stream. Alright, so yeah, what do we need? Menu, right?
Oh no, you muted me, so.
I didn't mute you. Menu. I'm gonna make that a
Guys, tell your
separate
friends
stream.
about my channel, guys.
I mean, if you want to, join my
I'm
Discord.
gonna tell all my
shameless
friends about the
plug.
server. I'm gonna tell all my friends about this. At everyone.
Yep. We need some
Guys,
menu.
I
Oh wait,
just
text. Get that out of
found
here. No one likes text. We need it. The
This
text
YouTube
mesh pro.
channel, guys. OMG, wow, epic.
I could tell you guys
gamer.
probably
Oh,
don't like Freddy's sound, so I'm turning his volume low. Turn his volume. Alright. So,
you sound
is
like-
this game called Fly Wings? Is that what we're actually naming this?
I don't know. Me and Henry get to name the game because you've done like 2%.
No, I'm gonna. Who cares? I'm gonna work
How would
on
you
this
feel
right
if I
now.
said a curse word on stream?
I mean, it's not really gonna affect me that much. I'm just not gonna.
So I can do it.
No, don't do it. If you do it, it's gonna affect
do
you,
it.
because I'm gonna mute you.
I'm gonna curse on stream and then immediately report your video right after.
Okay. But you're allowed to curse on stream, by the way. It's just like, I'm a family-friendly channel.
Freddy is awfully distracting and rude. Oh my god, dude, I can't
Oh,
believe
this
it.
is awful. Fly Wings, that's our game name.
I agree. I agree.
Alright, we're gonna have something that is going to say the high score.
Your
0.
sub counter is wrong, by the way.
Yeah, I know it's wrong. Because I actually have 3 subscribers, not 337, Just didn't update yet. Alright, but everyone that just subscribed, I appreciate it. Let me type in chat and you get... Bro, Ethan, you weren't subscribed before? I take that back. No, yo, Ethan, bruh. Okay, but ban this man from the chat. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Let's continue progress. Okay. So, we're gonna make the menu show how... No, that's gonna be on when you die, right? It's gonna say how long you survived, how many wings you went through. But we need a plain selection thing.
Just to clarify, Zach just said that we need a plain selection thing.
Yep, just to clarify, guys.
Clarify that, guys.
Just in case you didn't know.
Yeah, just in case you didn't pick it up. Collisions be like... Collision.
Collisions go brrr.
Funny.
Be quiet.
Zach, funny brr. Guys, is that funny? I've never heard that joke made.
I'm gonna
before,
use wait, isn't there something in the canvas scroll view? Scrolly viewy. I forgot how to use this.
I'm using a Polygon Collider 2D for a thing.
So funny.
Collider 2-dimensional.
Oh, I can't. Wait, I can't set it inactive. Oof.
Oof, guys, I can't set it inactive, guys.
I know, it's awful. Alright, right here, we'll have some viewport content. Stretch this out.
What?
Shrink this
What?
down.
What?
Put it here.
The plane was just like, I'm gonna leave the screen really quick.
I'm gonna put some sprites in
Boom.
the content, some
I'm gonna
text.
push.
You are?
Unable to use the cloud services.
Push.
Oh, does it have a mask? It has a coal renderer.
I just pushed.
Good job. So now you have this thing you can scroll through. This will eventually show all your planes. So that's gonna be
Can I make
pretty
that?
cool. No. No. I mean, if you want to, you could
Okay, you can make the
help with it. You can make the code. I'm just like designing it right now. You could
make the
change
UI,
any of
make
the
it,
designs.
Make it so that it will when you we want buttons on the side that when you click it like alerts
Oh,
between each thing.
Gaming God. I don't think it actually updates. Oh, 340 subscribers. Thank you guys.
No,
but
you have 339.
refresh. Alright, so wait, did you just unsub? Is that why it's 339? Haha, so funny. Okay,
No, I'm actually still
yeah, it
subbed.
doesn't do it here. Let me I don't know, it's some weird thing that it does that, so I should be able to, like, if I reset the text, I think it will update itself. So if I make it, wait, this is my most recent subscriber. Let's cancel that. So it did update.
Okay, we need. Okay, so you're gonna design the UI, and I'll do the
Yep. Oh, should I just mess something up?
I'll do the actual like setting.
I think it
The UI, you
became
better
done.
look good or else you're bad.
Oops, I just messed it up. Alright, so I don't know if
So
it's
at this point, I
delayed
don't think we're
or
using the
something.
Trello at all. So Rocket doesn't need to be here, and neither does Enemy.
Okay. I'm gonna make the UI look nice.
Can you screen share in Discord so I can see it as well? Discord is now safe to go
No, I
into.
don't wanna, and that will like lag my computer a lot.
How bad is your computer that you can't screen share and stream at the same time?
I mean, it's not like it's that bad.
You're
It's
not
just
running.
like,
You're running like a 360p screen share at 30 FPS.
really? On my on my stream?
No.
Here,
I mean,
I'll
if you
do
stream it,
I'll do
it.
480 and 15 FPS. That's what you get.
It's not that bad. I just want to see what you're making.
Alright,
Wow.
it's pretty beautiful right now. Have your epic play button. You can scroll through the slider.
No. Make it so that you like, it only shows one at a time, and when you click a button, it lurks to the next one.
Oh, that's what you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're making a mobile game, so you're not going to be scrolling on mobile.
Okay, so I'll just take out this and make a mask thing. To figure out how those work again.
Also, your stream almost looks as good as your screen share.
Oh, really? That's surprising. Removed stuff we don't need. What does that mean? Removing me from the club. Oh!
I removed. No, I'm kidding. I removed the player.
I
the
need
game, I
a
removed the cloud, and I
mask.
removed the rings.
I think if I show mask graphic. I don't know, does that work?
Also, can we make this easily what's it called?
Wait, what needs the mask?
How are we gonna store the planes? Are
Yeah,
we gonna
it's-
store each plane as a prefab?
Oh, that's sick. Okay, I got the masking to work.
Zach, are we gonna store each plane as a prefab?
Each plane?
Yeah, we're gonna have different types of planes, right?
Yes.
Okay, so each plane is gonna be a prefab. Also, okay, so what? Okay, so we're just gonna we're gonna make a new panel for each plane, I guess.
Yeah,
Actually, yeah,
so
that
each
wouldn't
thing
be
will
that
be
bad.
plain. No, we'll just make it so it's like, it just will, each one will be like 50 on the Y position away, or like
Yeah,
even
I know.
10.
No, but we'd have to make
We'll
it. It
just
wouldn't be like it wouldn't be like we wouldn't.
No, I
generate
know,
it with
I know.
code.
No, I'm doing
Yeah.
it, I did it right now with the mask, so it only shows it if it's
No,
inside
that's
the
not what
box.
I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying for each plane thing, we're not gonna make it through code. Like it's
Well,
not gonna be procedurally generated. We're gonna make it. by
Yeah,
hand, okay.
I know.
Kind of hard because you can't really store. all the
So I need
planes
to
in one
draw
place
some
that you can move
planes.
through.
I'll do that during the stream, I suppose. Alright,
You
so I'll make
suppose.
some buttons. Yes, I suppose. I guess I'll just duplicate this play button. I did the reverse. Okay, so this text needs to be the opposite of that. Beautiful. Who needs icons when you have text? Okay. So now we have some buttons to switch between the planes and a play button. What's that? The canvas
push so I
scaler
can see it?
doesn't scale with screen size. Uh-oh.
Can you push that really quick?
Yep. Beautiful descriptions, beautiful descriptions. Okay, Ethan, he says, will this be on the App Store? So, my hope is to put it on the App Store, though Apple is awful, and it's very hard to get apps on the App Store. So, it will be on the Android, Google Play Store. But the App Store, we will definitely try. We have the account for that, and we just need Apple to pretty much approve it, which they don't like to do. They're lazy or something. I don't know. So, yeah, we'll try to put it on the App Store. Hopefully it gets there.
Did you just call Apple lazy?
Yes. They're not lazy.
So you're gonna change the font
Of what?
text. Actually, yeah, you'll get to that, right?
You'll do that. Okay, I'll change it, yeah. Change it to fly wings.
Oh, I really don't like that.
You don't like
See,
it?
the buttons should like instead of being a knob, there should be a square.
Yeah,
looks a lot
yeah,
better.
I'll make it later. I mean, if you want to change it right now,
That's
you
really
can.
easy to do. I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to have to. Push
Gonna
and
take
stuff
up my
when you're
time.
working on UI.
Yeah, I mean,
So you
yeah, I'll
go
just
ahead
do
and
it.
It's literally
Yeah,
an easy
it's
fix.
just changing the sprite. Square,
Also, I don't really like the way that's formatted. Could you like
square,
move play under the maybe you could move play under the character select?
play. The play's gonna be an icon though. So it's
No, but
probably
the play
gonna
should
look.
be under the character select.
Really? Okay. I could swap
And the
them.
player should be up to the top.
Okay. I'll do
That's
that.
just my opinion. You're gonna make this. Me and Henry will like look over it when it's done.
I mean, yeah, we'll switch anything out, like, when it's farther in. Hello, Droid. Welcome to the stream. And hello, Jacob. Welcome to the stream. So anyone who's not already, if you subscribe, you know, I might come to your house like Santa Claus tonight and drop you off a free cookie. That's a maybe. So, you know, you might want to take that chance. Up to you, up to you. Okay. Play button green. Alright, so should I work on the script that lerps the things, or do you want to do that?
I'm not good with UI. You should probably do that.
Okay.
Cause you probably already know how to do it, right?
Yeah, I know how to do it. It just seems like it's gonna be annoying. Okay.
Well,
Hello,
if you don't wanna do it,
Lazarus.
I'll do it.
No, I'll do it. It's easy. It's easy. I'll just need to make an array of all the planes, and then I'll switch between them. Easy. Okay. Public, should I do it as game objects? Yeah, why not? Plain sprites. Ethan, are you still here? If you are, type in the chat. I have a question for you. Alright, so we're gonna make a function for the right arrow and the left arrow. The right arrow will, you know, check if you hit the right arrow, and if you do, it's gonna move the planes from right to left in sequential order. No, I'm just gonna, I'll move all the planes as a whole, actually. I don't need to do one each individually, actually. Public game object planes. I'll just do a parent over it. Oh, hey, Ethan. Okay, so currently, are you still trying to learn Unity? Because if you are, you know, maybe we could do a collab on some kind of project, you know? Did you see Danny's new video today, Freddy? That was pretty epic.
Danny's new video today? No, I'm not
Yeah,
sub.
it's pretty epic. What, you're... I don't talk to people who aren't subscribed to Danny. He must be Orange Juice Gang, guys. Must be Orange Juice Gang. Mods, ban him from the chat. Ban him from the chat.
You know I'm joking, right?
You're subbed to him?
Yeah, I'm subbed. I just don't have notice on.
Alright, good.
I watched half of it this morning.
Okay.
I watched the whole thing because it was boring.
What? It's not boring. He literally, look, hold on, I'm gonna show it on stream. He literally made this epic game where you get to smash little people with your VR and eat them. It's so epic. How can you not like Danny eat the rose at little people? It's so funny.
I think you're having too much fun with that.
I am. Alright,
Chill
planes
out.
dot transform dot position equals vector 2 dot lerp.
Does your stream know your last name?
I mean, most people are my friends, so I'd assume so.
I'm going to dox you live on
Dot
stream today.
transform dot. Yeah, I'm gonna get copyright check, guys. Alright,
Guys,
so
type
planes
one in
dot
chat if
transform
you-
dot
guys, type
position.
one in chat if
plus-
you would like to know Zach's location.
Yeah, guys, type that in chat, guys.
One in chat if you would like to know Zach's location IRL.
Transform. Oh, I needed to make the. Oh, that's annoying. New vector 2 planes dot transform dot position dot x plus 150 and planes dot transform dot position. Whoops. Dot transform dot position dot y. Okay, and then the speed should be like 0.1f. Should I multiply it by time dot delta time? Like when I did it in my event live in Kidoyo, I felt like it wasn't really necessary, but I did it anyway because I felt like it's good to do. Maybe?
I mean, it depends. This is for UI, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you could if you want, but it's not really essential because it's not like a game mechanic.
Yeah, Jacob, I'm thinking of maybe making a VR game soon. So, I might do
You have a
something
VR
cool like
headset?
that. Yeah, I do.
Oh yeah, why wouldn't you?
No, but, I think that
The
it would be
S20,
cool to
iPhone
make that. No, but
Pro Max. Blue Yeti.
you know what's it called? You know the guy. Oh yeah. So Danny's VR headset. He made the Oculus Milk, and then he got a real VR headset, and he did some epic stuff with it. He made that epic game. That was so cool. I kind of wanna make some kind of physics simulator with it. You know. Like I kind of wanna eat little people. Jacob, you want me to make Onward? You want me to make like the game Onward that already exists? Fred, are you there?
Yes.
Alright, so when I lerp, I'm doing the lerping in a function that will be called once, but is that still gonna work if it's only called once?
What? Well, I mean, no screen share. What are you talking about?
I'm screen sharing, aren't? Oh no, I'm not.
No, you're not. Because you left when I said I wasn't
Uh-huh.
sub to Danny.
Alright, So
Apparently, it's a necessity.
you
that's
see,
working.
you
Yeah,
see this?
customers and,
So when you hit the right arrow button,
360p, 360p,
what? When you hit the right arrow button,
360p, 360p.
what about it?
I can't see.
Well, oh my gosh, 360p sucks.
Oh, you can't say that on stream, Zach.
Oh, my bad, guys.
Make it taken down. Zoom in.
Alright, but when I hit the right arrow,
When you
Oh.
hit the right arrow.
oh, you were playing that?
do
Nice,
that.
Jacob.
Wait, transfer the sequence to. Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Alright, so how do I do it then? Do I have to
My
make a
numerator-
boolean or something?
My enumerators, or you
That-
could just like.
I could do I need. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh, I know. You shouldn't. Okay, so you should have like a desired position.
Oh,
And
okay.
then, like, in
And then
update,
lerp to
the
that.
desired to
Okay.
Lerp to the desired position and then just change the desired position when you do the thing.
Okay, thanks.
Ooh, having a little bit of trouble there.
What with the typing? I know.
I'm kidding.
Alright, so I will lerp.
Ew, you don't have military time? What are you doing?
Why would I have military time?
What are you doing, Zach?
Military time
Zachary.
is awful.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Imagine thinking it's 9:30 right now.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's 21:31. Desired position equals planes equals actually a new vector. Here, I'll just copy this.
Wait, just put time.delta time in the lerp as the
Wait, what am I
alpha.
doing here? Oh. Does that fix it? Oh. Wait, what?
You just have 150 just laying there. What are you
What
doing?
the heck? Wait, what?
It's just sitting there. What are you doing with it?
Oh, I need to do plus. Wait, why didn't I have that? That's
my
weird.
God.
Alright, let's copy
Okay,
this.
In the lerp, you should have your alpha be like time.delta time times some number.
Alright, so I'll do time dot delta time times, and I'll do 10.
Zach.
Okay,
your
you were
internet
zombie
just
moth.
cut out for like
I
5
got
seconds.
you.
For like an hour, Zach.
Wait, did it?
Yes.
It keeps cutting out. No.
Watch, the streamer's just gonna freeze for about 15 seconds.
Oh, I'm
Frozen
sorry,
right now.
guys. Alright.
Anyway, does it work?
So planes will be equal to.
Does it work?
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Does it work, Zach?
Hold on. I didn't make the script yet. I mean, I did. I didn't like put it
How
on.
should we store the current plane between scenes? Should we just have like an object? How do you make? Should we just have an object that stores player stats between scenes or something?
Player stats. We could. I mean, for the high score, we'll do player pref. So that's
No,
not.
no. What I'm saying is we have like a current plane that's selected in the main menu, and when you switch scenes to the actual game, we want that plane to spawn in, right?
Oh no! Someone is calling me. This must be an emergency. Who's calling me? Okay. It's not. That's not an emergency, guys. It's not an emergency. Okay, this is the left arrow. So, if anyone has cool game ideas, type it in chat and I could potentially make it as a video. So I'm kind of running out of ideas, so I'll use the snipping tool, copy your comment, and then be like, so this guy said I can't make this, so I'm gonna make this like all those other YouTubers, you know, I'm gonna be one of those guys.
Fradzy Genius said I couldn't make a game, so I made a game.
Yes.
Guys, this is so original, guys.
Equals planes dot transform dot.
Zach, buy a $10 keyboard and smash it on camera, and then have like.
I have
5
one of
seconds.
those.
Smash.
Alright,
on
guys,
camera and put-
if we hit 400 subscribers, I'll smash my keyboard on camera, guys.
smash
is it
your keyboard
moving?
On camera.
Or is it just not enough movement? It's just probably not enough movement, right?
What's your increment?
150.
What's the square size?
Let's do like 200.
What's the square size?
1 all around, I believe.
Just put the square size in there and don't guess it. Just put the square size.
What do you mean the square size? The square size is 100. Scale is 1. And 150 isn't enough, so how would anything less work?
That doesn't work either.
200 is nearly perfect, guys.
Stop, you're using magic numbers.
Well, when I eventually
What's
pick the right
planes? What is planes.transformed
So
opposition?
planes is the parented game object on top of them that I move instead of moving all the other things, you know? And each thing
That's
is
why it's not
150
working.
apart.
What? Why are they 150 apart? That's stupid.
What
Why wouldn't you
else
just
should
put them? Why wouldn't you just put them right next to each other?
I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Don't bully me. It's
Now
all
try it.
100? It's not gonna work though. I can't tell if it's working or not though.
It did because you moved what you moved to. Or maybe because you're just garbage at coding, Zach.
Wait, oh, I put them. Wait,
The
did I?
message
Oh, I
just got
put them
deleted
wrong.
from
I
the
put them. This is the left arrow. Wait, what? Oh, I messed up the functions. I just realized. Okay, make a game where you. Ooh, that's a good idea. That's a really epic idea. But if you actually give like a topic or something, or like an in-depth, not that in-depth, just like make a VR game, make a mobile game that does this, make this, make that. If you say anything like that, then you know, could be a video. I mean, this kind of works, but it's not enough. It's like barely not enough. Should I try 210 or something, Freddy?
What?
I feel like I shouldn't just be experimenting with random numbers like this, though.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
But when I do 100, it doesn't work. It doesn't go all the way. This is too much.
Are you using worlds? No, you're not using world space. Go to
What? I'm using
See-
screen size.
wait.
Is it just that since it's a lerp, that it's just moving really slow?
Play the game and then check. Play the game.
Mm-hmm.
Don't click any buttons. Go into. Okay, first of all, turn off maximize on play, so you don't have to pause the game every time you want to check something.
What happened?
Okay, now go to
I don't know what happened.
Go to your little things. Go to your little planes. Okay, yeah, so go to the one
What
below.
the-
Go to the- yeah, exactly. Change that to 100.
Wait, but that's just the Y.
Oh,
That's
that's
not
the
gonna
Y,
matter.
never mind.
But when I go to what?
Can you push so I can mess around with it?
Yeah. Okay. If any of you have Discord and you want to, you know, learn some cool stuff, join it, you know. Shameless plug right here. So this is from when I was doing a bunch of live streams and none of them were working. This one still doesn't work because it is still it's like not a good thumbnail. It's weird. So make a game where you're Shrek and you have to get a donkey out of your swamp, but also tend to Fiona.
Make a game where you get copyright striked. Wouldn't that be funny, dude? Wouldn't that be epic? That would be so funny.
Alright, I'll look into that game for you. That's
I'll look into the copyright
interesting.
strike, guys.
it's an interesting game. I think it might just be 400 that I need to do because now it's like being all
No.
weird where it only goes halfway.
Magic numbers, magic,
Yeah,
no
yeah,
magic.
yeah. What do you mean magic numbers? What are magic?
Not know what a magic number is.
No. Who
It's
knows
a
what
number
a
that you
magic?
get. It's a number that you get by just guessing something. Okay, wait. Let me check something.
Wait, I
So
think
you
it's
say it-
different. Wait, it's different. Maximize on plan, not.
No, what you're doing isn't working. You're not moving it actually by 100. Go to your
What?
script. Go to your script. Go to your script.
Yeah.
Planes that transformed opposition plus just do 100. Do 100 right there. Put it to 100. Put both to 100. I want to see something.
It's different
Put
if you're
both-
maximized or not.
Put it below to 100 so I can see it.
I did.
No, okay. I'll go back. Play the
Okay.
game.
Yes.
Don't touch anything. Click on planes in the hierarchy. Watch position X and click one of the buttons. Doesn't look like 100 to me, does it?
No, it does not.
That's your issue. That should say
Well,
100.
I mean, obviously, but how do I fit? Wait. Okay.
That does
But
not
why
matter. Your
do I?
planes is what
Yeah, I
you're
know, I
changing.
know, I know.
So hit both of the arrows and see if it never equals what you want. Okay, so pause it. So stop the game. Stop the game. Go to your script. So
On what is? Wait, I feel like no,
Print
because
desired-
planes dot transform dot position dot y. It's
why
Hold
does
on.
it matter?
no, but it's set to 0, right? But then here I set it to planes dot transform dot position dot y, and here as well. But it sets it to
doesn't
this
matter, though.
random thing. I think that might have something to do with.
No, but it doesn't matter because your y wouldn't affect anything, and it doesn't matter because that's the y is not your issue, and you can see that from the game. How about this? Instead of saying planes.transform.position equals vector2.lerp, vector2.lerp, just set it equal to desired position. So get rid of the lerp for now. and
Yo,
just
it's
say-
good, Damien. Yo,
set
Damien,
it
what's
equal to
good?
desired position.
Damien, make sure you subscribe to the channel, So, and I'll dress up as Santa Claus and come give you a little cookie in bed tonight. What, Freddy?
Okay. Set planes.transform.position to desired position instead of lerp. So don't lerp it, just set it to desired position. I want to see if that changes anything. So get rid of your entire lerp in update and just set it to desired position. No, so keep that line
Okay.
completely. No. Equals. Yeah. If that works, then it's a lerp issue. If it doesn't work, then it's a desired position issue.
Alright, let's see.
Hit the button. Okay, it's desired position. Stop the game.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking because the Y is
So
being
what is
raised.
desired position? Desired position is a new vector2 planes.transform.position.x plus 100. What is
Damien, stop.
planes.transform?
Stop, Damien, stop. Or I have to,
Okay,
I have to
now
put you
play
in
the
a
game.
timeout.
Play the game.
I have
Run
to
the
put
game, I
you in a
wanna see
timeout, Damien. Alright, don't make
Dude,
me.
play the game. Play the game. Play the game. Play the game.
But-
Play the game.
Okay.
Click on planes. Okay, so what is planes?
Damien, I'm noticing you. What do you mean? Oh my gosh.
Well, I don't know what planes.transform.position.x is. You should probably print that. Because it's not rect transform x, it's just like transform x, right? Print it to the console.
I know
Print
you're
the
my
position.
biggest fan, Damien, but you're not subscribed. Print
Okay,
to
I'm
the
gonna work on it.
console what?
Something different.
The desired position?
Print the desired position. Print,
Desired
Print.
position.
no. Print plane.transform.position.x.
But we could see that.
Yeah, but it's different from what you're looking at, I feel like.
I don't think
Play
so.
it. Look at the console.
150 right now. And hold on, wait. Local, global. Doesn't change. Wait, what? That's not possible.
Yes, it is.
I've never seen
I think-
anything quite like it before. How is
I
that
think
possible?
rect
though?
transform and just regular transform are two different things.
Oh.
Not sure how you'd go about changing rect transform.
Wait, but why is it a rect transform? I made it
It's
a...
a UI element.
So I can't just do an empty game object? Oh.
UI objects are different from like world objects because they're.
I've never
space
ran
instead
into
of
this
world space.
error before.
Well, it's not an error. You should probably just
In
look up
this
how to
code.
alter rect transform Unity. Or something.
Well, let me see. So when I... Maybe it's not transform.position. It might be it's like rect position.
Dude, try planes.rect
Hold on, let me
transform, see if that's a
get
thing.
component rect transform dot position. Yeah, that's a thing.
Print it
Dot x. Let me print this.
and remove the line above.
there is no I need to do what's it called? Planes. After this, I'm gonna design something really cool, and you'll see. Okay, 550, right? What? What? Now it's 450. So it's changing correctly, it says. But it's weird how it's doing it.
Okay, because I have nothing else to do, I'm gonna like mess around with that, see if I can fix it.
You messed around with that.
Actually,
I'm
I'll
gonna
do
do
this.
this
You could probably
really
work on
funny
something
thing.
else. Because I have an idea of how to do this. How about I do this and you do something
Yeah,
else?
you do that. I'll do
Okay,
something
so
else.
push your current thing.
Okay.
I'll design it. I'll do it. I'll finish it. I'll do whatever. I don't know. We need to save all the players' current
Stream,
planes.
are
So.
you ready?
Wait, Zach. I have a question.
Yeah.
How are we gonna save planes? Are we gonna have planes be like you can only buy the plane? Actually, how about this? How about you can only buy the plane that is directly one tier ahead of your current plane, and you can't see what's 2 tiers ahead, right?
Wait,
So-
what?
So if I want to buy a plane, I have to buy the next plane. I can't see 2 planes forward. You know what I'm saying? Just
So
like a
you.
list of planes. So I have to
You
go through
can't
all the
see
planes.
it? You should be able to see them, just not buy them.
No, you can see the one directly next, but you can't see the one after that.
Oh.
I'll do it, and you can see. But that way, if we want to save the player's current plane, we can just save just a number. Actually, we save 2 numbers. One is the player's current number of owned planes, and based on the player's number of current owned planes, we'd know all the planes that they currently own. And
Alright.
then we'd save the another number, which is the currently equipped plane, which is the plane they currently have. Because if you exit out of the game and you reopen, I don't want the plane to change. I'll need your help storing that player prefs or whatever you did with the
Yeah,
score.
it's easy
But-
stuff.
Yeah. So I'm gonna fix.
Alright, so I designed this cube with eyes. So just imagine it saying, please
you're working
don't
on a
kill
different
me,
game now?
please don't kill me. And then I throw it. Now I just made that cube, now it's done. That was funny.
So you're working on a different game now, Zachary.
No, I was just designing that as like a cool thing. Let me throw its mouth away. Yes, sir. That's epic games. Alright. Now we're going back to the plane project.
Where's this script on? Canvas.
It's in UI. No, it's on Menu Manager.
What is menu manager on?
It's just an empty game object in the scene.
Okay, why isn't it in the canvas?
Because Menu Manager is an empty game object in the scene.
Yes, but why wouldn't you put a script? Why wouldn't you put the script just on the canvas? What's the point?
Because it's a manager. I don't know. There's probably. I mean, there is no difference, but like.
Except like an unnecessary canvas variable.
I suppose.
Okay, let's see. So desired position. Planes that transform the position. Desired position. I mean, your use of.
Oh, so
like,
now when you
parents.
hit now when you hit clouds, it flashes.
Yeah.
Nice.
So your use of parents and stuff.
So I'll
makes
make it
like,
so
10 times
it.
more
I'll
complicated
try to
than
make it
should
right
be.
now so that it keeps track of your guy. What's more complicated? Does it slow you down when you go in clouds as well?
What?
Does it slow you down?
Yes.
How much?
Reduction, which is a variable inside the cloud. Right now it's 10.
Okay, yeah, that's
10
pretty
forward
good.
speed.
So now you have to dodge clouds. Pretty cool.
560 if I move
I feel
this.
like clouds are a little too big though, because if they're like in the middle or like something like that, it pretty much takes up
This.
a lot of the screen.
Nope. If I move this.
Okay, so
Here's an issue. Can't modify these values. I can't modify these values, Zach.
what values?
Oh, because they're being set. I'm gonna comment this out really quick. And run it.
Okay, so I suppose I can make it so it tracks your progress now. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna set a challenge for this live stream, okay? So, the first person in the chat to type
Oh boy.
the word cookie, all lowercase, cookie, they get to decide a punishment or a challenge, I don't know, something I need to do if we could hit 350 subscribers in this stream. But we probably
already
won't,
above.
so it's probably not gonna happen. But I mean, if it does, if you somehow get
Stream
there.
24/7.
Okay, so Ethan was the first one that did it. So Ethan gets to choose the punishment, but I'll let
How do I get this value?
since Jacob also did it, it was close. Jacob and Ethan, Jacob, you could give your suggestion, you know. You get your suggestion, Jacob. But I don't know. Ethan did get it, so Ethan, say the challenge punishment. Jacob, also say yours, and I'll just decide, I guess. Whatever.
Got it.
Got what?
Zach,
What?
it's the local position of the rect transform. That's what we need to change.
Oh, local position?
Yep.
Okay. If you're open to anything, Ethan, then Jacob, you get to choose it. Jacob's a little bit crazy with his challenges, so let's see. Alright, so someone choose. I don't know. No one's choosing. Just someone in chat type what you want to see. Even though it's not gonna happen. Like, it's not
Zach?
like, yeah.
Is there any point of getting the game object planes if we're only using the rect transform? Could I just get the rect transform itself and only use that?
Of planes?
Yeah. Is there any other, is there gonna be any other? Actually, I'm making it, so I just do that. I'll change it if I need to.
Oh, Jacob, a punishment for me. Like, one stream ago, it was like, as soon as I hit 320 subscribers, I dumped a glass of water on my head. So, yeah. What do you mean, Ethan? You want me to unplug my second monitor? That's how I'm reading this chat. Like, look, it's how I'm monitoring the stream. Look, guys, it's Typical Gamer. Everyone go leave my stream and go check out his stream. Typical Gamer, everyone hurry. It's Fortnite, guys. Hurry, guys, quick.
Typical gamer. I used to watch that guy.
Actually?
Yeah. I think.
Nice.
Maybe it was someone else.
I don't know. Okay. Ethan, don't actually. Okay. Yeah, go watch Typical Gamer, Ethan. Bye-bye. Alright, so you're working on that script?
Yeah, I used to watch this guy.
Oh, nice. So while you work on that, I'll work on the script that, like, checks how many rings you go through and stuff. Put a beat. No, Jacob, I'm not doing that. It's, like, something I could do right now. Like, dump a
Zach,
glass
wait,
of
what do you
water on
mean?
my head, or, I don't know.
What do you mean checking how many rings you go through? You can already figure that out via the score.
What? No, I'm gonna... Wait.
You can figure out the amount of rings you go through.
Oh, yeah,
via
I'll
the
just
score.
divide it by 100.
Yeah.
Nah,
No,
I'll
divide
just
by,
watch it, whatever. I'm just
divide
gonna
by
make
score.
its own script.
Why?
It's easier.
No, but no, it takes more work actually.
I mean, okay,
Isn't the
fine.
score,
I'll
like,
just. I mean,
static?
okay, yeah, I'll do it your way, I suppose.
Where's
So
the
I'll
score
need
stored?
to also check how long you
hey,
survived.
Hey, where's the score
Hey,
stored?
hey. It's stored in the score controller script.
Is it static?
Score is possible. I don't think so.
No, it's not static. Am I the only one who jitter clicks my backspace key when I'm trying to like do something? That's
No, I
stupid.
also do. I don't jitter click. I butterfly click it. Well, not butterfly click. I just spam it with 2 fingers. Okay.
It's like this versus like this.
Oh, so you watched him during his GTA mod vids? Nice.
Listen
Yeah,
to this.
like,
Listen how painful this is.
but I don't do it randomly. I just do it. Whoops. I just do it when I'm trying to
When you realize you can just hold
like
shift
delete stuff
and arrow
quickly.
key.
What? That's highlighting.
Yeah, and then you just hit backspace.
No,
and
it's so much
highlight.
more satisfying to do it the other way. Public float time survived.
Public. Yeah, I'm just gonna get the game object, planes transform, and say dot. Actually, we're gonna say. Oh wait, no, that's the, what am I doing? Okay. Dot local position.
Alright, so we'll get that. It will know your score. So what will it show? How many rings you went through? Your score and your time survived. That's it.
Well, we'll show your. Well, I mean. Wait. What? Why would you? Why would your score be any different than the rings you went through?
What? Why would your score
Why
be
would your
different?
score be any different than the rings you went through? Are we gonna have other ways to collect score?
Score be different. Well, I mean, because the higher the number, the better it feels to earn points. I learned that, you know. And yeah, we should have other ways to collect score. Maybe like coins or something. Something like that. I don't know. Chat, should we have anything to do score with? Okay, so let's see. We got the time survived. We got some other stuff. So I'll just make it so the death screen is set to active. Freddy,
What?
do you have like push to talk on or something? Just gets
No.
deadly quiet. Alright.
Just don't talk when it isn't needed.
Why, hello, Snoodledorf. Welcome to the stream. So right now, I'm just working on a game called Fly Wings with Fradzy Genius, who's in my Discord call. Basically, as you go through rings, you get faster and your points go up, and you want to stay alive as long as you can without losing all your speed, making you crash. Okay. So I'll design a death screen right now.
Well, I had already designed the death screen. You can alter it if you want.
Oh, you
just
did?
go
Where
into-
is it?
It's death canvas.
Death can. Oh, okay.
You can change it if you want, but
Why is everything hidden?
what do you mean?
Oh, you unchecked the canvas. Alright, I'm gonna alter it to have some other stuff.
We're gonna make that fade in though, right?
Yes, but
How?
I mean, by changing their alpha values. But I think it's
But
better
how
if
do you
we
make it-
just.
how do you
It's
make- how do you
better.
make-
It's better if we have, instead of fading everything, it's better if we just have it like fade white to that,
What do you mean fade white to that?
like a white
Oh,
block.
if we like flash white and then it just like comes
So-
in like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you do that.
Okay. Jacob, you want me to challenge myself to make a Battlefront 2 mod for PS4? Interesting.
Do you even have a PS4?
I don't have a PS4 or a Battlefront 2.
I have Battlefront 1 on Xbox One.
Huh.
I do not have Battlefront 2. I've heard
Yes.
it's
I don't know
okay.
if I could do that one.
I think it's pretty good now because they got rid of the pay to win aspect. I heard.
Ah, nice.
I have a friend who has it. He says it's a pretty good game.
Cool, cool. Whoops. I don't know what I'm doing to this divided by 1.5. Wait, it's not on both? Okay.
Why do all of our scripts have the original comment that says update runs every frame and start runs at the start of the game?
Well, that's automatic.
I know, but we just don't take the time to get rid of it.
I mean, why take the time though? It's not really like you need to. Why does it? Wait, why does the post-processing work in the scene? Why is it working in the scene but not in the... Is it because it's not under it?
No idea. You're the post-processing person, I'm not.
It's weird. I don't know, I'll figure that out later. Maybe it needs to render by me playing the game, I don't know. Okay, let's make stuff that says some other stuff.
Works.
Nice.
Make this like black or something. Whoa, and it is deciding to be broken now for some reason.
Awesome, that's what we like to see.
Oh, I see why. Okay, if you do it in the while it's in the middle of it, it won't work.
Okay.
So we need to modulate it. I think that's what we should do. No, we shouldn't do that.
So we got our score on time survived.
No, desired position equals desired position. There we go. So we won't have this issue.
Alright, so I made the menu now. It's looking pretty good. But we shouldn't just have that fade in. Also, we should have some kind of UI panel behind it. So it looks, so like the stuff behind it, it makes it look more like a background rather than stuff like in the game.
Okay, so this is cool, but it doesn't really do what we needed to do. Look at my screen share.
Okay.
So it works, right?
Yeah, it works. Well, what do you mean it doesn't do what we need it to do, though?
So we needed to show a plane here, and the issue is, what if I go so far and there's no planes over here?
Let's,
So you can just go like 5,000
well, this is what we need to do. You know how I made an array of all the planes?
Yeah, we need an array. Wait, you made an array of all the planes?
Yeah, I already did that.
Where is it?
It's in the script. So we'll do that. We'll use that array.
Plane sprites?
Yeah, and with that array, we will check, like, just make a variable called, like, float, like, which point in array, or plane
No,
number,
we wouldn't have
or an int or something.
no, this isn't what we should do. What we should do is we should just have a we should start the first one and have a number. We should have like a public int size, and then only let it go up if the size, something like that. Public int size.
I mean,
num planes.
yeah, I mean, just check the size, but
So
we
if,
could also just check, we could just check the array.length.
No, we would only let it go if.
But we still need the array, so don't get rid of
No.
that. Because we need
No,
to
we
check
don't.
which, well, we need to check which plane you're on. How else are we going to choose which, I mean, unless we make them each a
We
different
wouldn't do that.
button.
We wouldn't do that via plane sprite though. We'd do that via a plane object.
Okay, I guess we could also just put a button under each of them. Like,
But
buy
how would
me
we
or something.
store the planes? Would we store them as a scriptable object?
What? No, we just score them as different sprites. What do you mean store them?
No, because we want to make it so when you click on the sprite wouldn't hold the data for the entire plane object though, would it? Because you said we're storing them as prefab, so would you just put in the prefab?
Well, we wouldn't store the sprites as prefabs, the one you switch between. Those would always be there.
No,
As
we're storing the
sprites.
Zach. We're storing the planes as prefabs, right?
Yeah, when you start the game, it will spawn in the prefab.
You made an array of plane sprites, so that means the only stuff
Of
you
game
have to base-
objects.
What?
The arrays of game objects, so we could put any game object in there.
Yeah, but you should name it plane prefab.
But it's not going to be of prefabs.
But
It's
not
gonna
gonna
be of all the
sprites.
plants. No, it's gonna be of all the. It's gonna be of all the plain sprites that are in the canvas that you could switch between, so that we'll know which one
Ooh, I
that
don't
you're
get what
on.
You're saying here.
I mean, we could pretty
Fine.
much get rid of it at this point. It's not gonna matter. So
You're
we're gonna
telling
do
me
it in a
that
different
we're
way.
gonna have a list. We're gonna have an array of planes, and we're just gonna. I mean, of planes. We're just gonna have an array of sprites.
It's gonna be of the sprites that are in the sprite selection, so that you'll know which one you're on.
Yeah, but you know what sprite you're on. You don't know what plane you're on.
Well, we would know what plane you're on.
Yeah, but we're not gonna find the plane based off the sprite.
We could find it based off the name, or
That's
based off like anything
not
else.
really-
We can make a script on it. We don't need to make a scriptable object. We could just make a script on it that has like a public string. That's all the script has, just a public string. And then you put that public string, you put the name in the string for each one.
Or we
I
could
love the
store the,
prefab.
or we could just have a list of prefabs.
I mean, yeah, do it whichever way you want.
Is it worse to have a list of prefabs? Is that like
Yes,
is
you
that,
should
like,
not do that.
Why?
I mean, having just a list of
Is that like
prefabs,
a memory issue or something?
It's not a memory issue. It's just like I'd say it's not
'Cause I don't want
smart
to
to
base
do.
it off of names.
I mean,
Because if you base it off of names, you could just put
It
names there.
just. I mean, I'd honestly say. Let's worry about that later because I know a really
doing it
simple
right
way to
now.
do it. I can't really explain it. You're not really understanding what I'm saying,
Well, I
so
think
I'm
well, I
thinking.
think I do understand what you're saying. You're saying we have a list of sprites, and when you you know what sprite you're on,
Mhm.
and then you find the plane prefab based off the sprite name. That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah. But we don't need
But-
a list for that because I'm thinking we could just have a button under every sprite saying like well,
Just name
actually
the
no,
button
we
the
we
button
actually we still need the array and we need a float that will say what you're on in the array. And then
No, that
when you
would just
hit
be the
play,
current position. That would just be the current position divided by some number.
I mean, okay, we could do that. So
Okay, so
then we'll know
instead-
which
instead-
plane
instead-
you're on.
Instead, I'm thinking, what if we just name the buttons the name of the plane that they represent?
I mean, yeah, we could do that, but it's not like you hit that button to start the game. You hit the button to buy the plane. And we could even make it so it has like a lock on it, and if you click on it, then it unlocks it if you like pay for it.
Wait, so how are we even gonna do this? What's the button that you buy? How do you buy the plane when you scroll through it? Is there gonna be a button that pops up under?
Yes. Or we can just have it so you click on the plane. Like, I think we should just have it so there's a lock and you click on it
How do you buy it?
by clicking on the lock, and then something will pop up saying, do you want to purchase this plane for how many coins?
Okay. So the button's under the image?
Well, we don't
Yeah,
need
so
a button.
so-
It will be on top of it. It will be the lock, like I'm saying.
No, but like as a child.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is we could just name the buttons the name of the plane that they represent. So then we don't have to do literally anything. The only value we need to store in the script would be a number. Right?
You want to name it a number?
No, we name the button. We name the image, the panel that we look at my screen share.
0 viewers. I keep going.
Really?
They got bored of us talking, I think.
Maybe we should just end the stream. Honestly, there's no point.
Okay, guys, so for the 0 viewers watching, I think we're gonna come to an end now. Thank you for tuning in to this stream. It was it was a pretty good one, but I understand it got boring at the end because, you know, we started dealing with some serious stuff for the game. But, yeah. 0 viewers and a dream. That kind of reminds me when I was younger and I would always do live streams with channels with 0 subs and I wouldn't have viewers, but I would just talk to no one. It's kind of sad, you know? Ooh, we got our viewer. Yay, we have 1 viewer now. It's kind of sad. We lost all the viewers.
Yeah, like I lost all the people in my kill you event. I feel the pain, Zach.
Did everyone? Everyone left?
Not everybody.
Huh.
Zach, look.
It was like 2 or 3 little kids.
Zach, look.
What'd you do, Freddy?
Can you look at my screen share?
I'm not watching.
So you see these items right here?
Yep.
What I'm saying is that we name these the name of the plane that they represent.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
But that's not what you said.
Yes, I mean, it's one of the things
So
I
if
said.
this was called biplane, we would just say biplane. And what we would do is if you clicked play while you were on this, while the number correspond. Actually, how would you get? Yeah, you'd have to store something in the script, but how would you do that? You could just store a string.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying.
No, but you said store a game object.
No, store a string. That's what I said.
You said, but why'd you make a game object array then?
Okay, so what I was thinking was that each different plane sprite, so each thing in the planes, each child of the planes, we put those in the array so we know which one that we are currently on.
What do you mean each child of the array we put that in?
So you know how biplanes and plane image 1 are both like what represent the plane sprites?
Yeah.
So
No, would represent the plane prefab, not the sprite.
well, no, they will be the sprites.
No, not the sprites.
No, but
There's-
they are
there's
the
nothing to do with
sprites. Yes, it is.
No, they're
Yes, it is.
prefabs, not sprites.
What? Not biplane and plane image 1.
When I click on this, when I'm on this and I hit play, I need to know what plane this is.
I
don't care
know.
about the sprite.
Oh my gosh. No, but you figure it out by knowing which sprite it is. It doesn't know what sprite it is right now.
Yeah, because there's no sprite in here.
Oh my god, no. So when you're going through the arrows, it doesn't know what image is in the center. It doesn't know what image it's on currently. So I made the array so that you can switch between the different ones to know which one you're on.
Okay, Zach. I think I'm just gonna store it as a string or something.
Oh, that's...
That's not what you said, though.
My... Bruh. I made this, like, high-pitched squeaky noise with my voice, and my, phone rang. I set it so every time you whistle, it makes a ding. It's pretty cool. So if
Okay,
I
I'm gonna
lose it, I'll just be like...
Or
Then it dings. Alright, no one's watching this stream. That's so sad.
just end it.
Yeah, I'm gonna end it. Okay,
Yeah,
thanks
it's
for
true.
watching. I kind of wanted to end it by doing some kind of outro. You know what I'm saying?
Just end it.
So I'm gonna do an intermission. Oh, you just missed out on the intermission. You know, it was a big event. I looked awful. Okay, end the stream. Thank you guys for watching this stream. There are 0 viewers. If one day I am a viral YouTuber and someone goes back and watches my playlist full of my old live streams, you will see this. And you will get the message, send help. Now, if you somehow get in contact with me and tell me the word send help, I will know you are some kind of epic gamer guy. And, okay, now it's a viewer, so it's ruined. But, you know, in like a few years from now, if you do that message, then I may or may not give you some kind of, like, personal shout-out thing. But that's if I'm, you know, some kind of epic gamer. So, someone's here, so I'm just gonna resume the stream. But, you know, it was a pretty cool moment. But, okay, people are joining back, though. That was sad. I had 0 viewers for so long. That was so sad. Who's in the stream right now, though? Someone, like, comment your name. Tubes Control. Epic. Welcome to the stream, Tubes Control. So you are a little late. I have to say, I was literally about to end it because I had 0 viewers until you shut up. But I was about to end the stream, and you might want to skip back. I don't know if you do, but we've been working on this game, me and Fradzy Genius, who's in a Discord call. And it's a pretty cool game that is going to be a mobile game. You have to fly through rings to get some momentum. So, yeah, I appreciate you showing up and not leaving me lonely and sad. But, yeah. Alright, so let's keep working on this game. Okay, I'm gonna make the death canvas show up when you die. Freddy, you there? Hello? Okay, he's gone. Yes, this is going to be a mobile game. It will be on, iOS, hopefully, if we could get it there, and Android. Just that iOS is pretty hard to put games on. It's pretty strict platform. Okay, so we're gonna call our death canvas. Yes, you will be able to install this game. Currently, no, it's not out, but when it comes out in like a week or 2, you will be able to install it, yes. So yeah, it's gonna, hopefully it's a cool game. I mean, you're gonna have different planes you can switch between in the menu and stuff, so hopefully it turns out like a cool game. Okay, we need to assign the death canvas in the death canvas script. So, Tubes Control, do you know anything about, Unity? Do you use it? Okay, cool. It pops up. I just gotta make it fade. Okay. I'm trying to think of a good way I could make it fade. Oh, you don't know anything about Unity? Okay. I mean, it's a pretty cool tool for making games. I like it. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, so I guess I'll just make this image thing fade in. This will have all the stuff. Oh, but then I'll need to make everything else fade. Ooh, it's gonna be... This is gonna be a challenge. So I'm going to somehow need to make everything fade into the scene. Okay. I suppose I can do everything individually. That's just probably not the smartest way to do it. Let me just do a quick Google search. how to fade a whole canvas in Unity. Okay, let's see. Canvas group component. Oh, epic! That's so cool. Yo, I found out how to do the thing. That's so cool! Oh, that's epic for the fading. That's so cool.
How do you do it? How do you do it?
So you use the canvas group component. And then with it, if you put the canvas group on a canvas, you can change alpha values and you can block it from raycasts. You can make it interactable or not. You can do really cool stuff.
Okay, Zach.
It's pretty cool, if you ask me.
Why are you in the player controller?
'Cause that's where I'm doing the death canvas stuff. Is there like a dead variable? Yep.
Don't.
Don't what?
Don't.
Wait.
Why?
Where's the... Okay, I need... So, dead isn't actually dead, by the way. I need to make a
What do
bool
you mean?
really dead. Like when you crash. Because when you're dead, you're not actually dead. You didn't crash yet.
Yeah, you did. Did you not read the script?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. No, but when the bool dead is set to true,
Uh-huh.
you start falling to the ground.
No, you don't.
You don't?
No, you don't. Look
Then
to
why are
where
you
dead is set to
setting all
true.
this? Why are you setting the pitch and all that stuff?
So
Why are
the
you
pitch
lerping the
is-
pitch? If
So it
you're
goes-
already
so when
dead.
you- so when you die, it goes like instead of going like
Oh, well,
go down to where the
When you
dead is set to true.
whatever, it's fine. I'll just lerp it in here then.
Yeah, because if I were to just return from dead, you wouldn't be able to do it in there.
Okay. So, death canvas dot get component canvas group dot alpha equals... Okay, so now I'm gonna take your formula for lerping things. Maths. So this
minus
plus
Goal minus start. Goal minus start.
100
Goal minus start. No
minus...
one. No one. It's
Okay,
1
1 minus
Minus
that
times alpha
times
time dot delta times like 10f or something.
10f times time dot delta time.
Time times 10f. Okay, or that.
Okay, so this should make a smooth fade in sequence.
Try it.
Let's see what happens when you die. Oh, that's... I think it worked, but it's too fast. Let's do something like 1.
That's just time dot delta time, by the way.
Perfect. That's pretty good. Maybe a little bit slower. Okay, cool. So the canvas fades in pretty well.
I don't like the sizing. Did you change the sizing?
Of certain stuff.
I feel like the button should be bigger. It's a mobile game.
Well, I
don't know.
mean, I think
Let Henry decide.
look,
Henry's
we'll
the
test
UI
it.
guy.
We'll see once we test it.
Okay, Zachary Yetagary.
Is he a canvas guy? I don't know. Just saying. But that's really cool that you could do canvas groups. Never knew about that. Oh, and we should set a delay for the clouds, so right when you start the game there aren't clouds. You know?
Okay, Zach.
Alright.
Wait, so what you were saying for the array was did we just have an array of all these buttons, all these images under planes?
Yes.
Okay. So,
So
it's not
this
just, like,
random guy,
image.
he joined the stream. He said cool stream, all this stuff. He was talking to me. He subbed to the channel, and then he left. That was pretty a nice guy, you know, nice guy. Maybe he wants this game. I don't know. He said he's gonna install it when it's complete. I mean, he wants to get it when it's complete. When it's
Okay. How many viewers? are you
0. Let's go,
One
gamers.
watching now. Haha.
Haha. So funny. No, there's not. Oh wait, there is.
It's me,
Oh, it's you.
and it's you.
Nah, I don't count as a viewer.
Yeah, you do.
Then why doesn't it say 2?
It does. It says one now because you left, I think.
No, I'm still watching. I've been watching this whole stream and it says 0 when I'm watching the stream. Alright, so now I'll make the restart button, restart the game. Public text mesh pro UGUI.
You play the game on screen share. I want to see it.
Time.
Your screen sharing. Play the game right now. I want to see just the gameplay on your screen. It looks a bit faster than mine does.
Really?
I don't know. Play it.
My game? That could
Yeah,
be
run it.
something about the speed,
Run
not
it.
using time.delta time. But then it should be slower on mine because you have the better GPU.
Let me compare. Nope. Same. Okay.
Good. Time survived. Text.text. You know, I really love what I did with the, like, hinge joint things. Like, honestly, I'm so happy with how that went. How it turned out.
I have an issue.
Yeah.
How are we gonna get the plane? The actual plane prefab?
What do you mean?
How are we gonna get the prefab of the plane when we need to spawn it in?
We'll make it
Via the button?
in a prefabs folder.
No, here's what I'm saying with my screen share. Are you looking?
Oh, no, I'm not looking. I need to see if when you die it works. So the time survived is always changing, but that's just 'cause you never die yet. Alright. Show it.
Okay. So if I were to hit this, if I were to be on the red one and I hit play,
Mhm.
how would I know that I'm on the red one? Even if
That's
I had
what
the
I'm
name,
saying. No, that's what I'm saying. That's
even
why
if I
we need
had
the
my
array.
plane.
No, I know. That's why I'm saying we need an array. So here's
Of
how
what?
my idea would go.
Array of what?
So we have an array of all the different stuff, all the different plane sprites you could choose from.
Plane sprites?
Yes,
What do you mean by plane sprites?
all the stuff that you could select from changing your arrow
these
keys.
images, you
Yes,
mean?
all these images. So
Wait,
we'd have
all
an
these.
so
all
yes,
these in here?
yes. So we'd
Not
have
the actual prefab.
no. So we'd have an array of all of those, and then we'd make
Yep.
a float for which one you were on.
And you mean an int, right?
It doesn't matter, but yeah, int.
It does. Okay, but yeah.
And then every time you hit right, the int goes up. Every time you hit left, the int goes down. And
Okay,
then
yep.
we'll know which one you're on by getting the array's index of the
Yep.
int.
So you would get.
That's
a
what I was
game
trying to
object.
say the whole time.
So yeah, but how would you find the prefab of the plane based on that?
Because when you know what it is, when you know what the object is, we could like get the component of the script that we'll make on it that stores like a string.
Oh, so we're gonna put a script on each image.
Yeah, and we'll have like a string or some kind of game
Called
object
plain
of the
storage or
prefab.
something?
Yeah, and we'll either have it a string or a game object for the prefab it's gonna spawn.
How do we carry it over from scene to scene though?
So there's a way you can make an object not destroy when you load a new screen. So we could just have like a static game manager empty object that will be in every scene with the same values. Understand?
Wait, you already made a script called plain selection?
Well, that's the script that you've been working in, by the way.
Wait. Oh, plain select object. Oh, element. Why do you put spaces in script names?
I don't. It
Oh,
does it
never mind,
automatically.
never mind. Yeah, okay.
You can't put spaces. It will
Yeah.
break it.
Okay, so we need a script to hold all the data that we need that goes between scenes. So what data would we need to keep between scenes? Cash, money?
The plane you choose. We don't need to show the money in the game. Just score.
Well, money is based off score and time, right?
I would say just score.
Why?
Because we don't need to do that much complicated stuff.
I mean, it's just multiplication or basic adding.
I mean, if you want to, we could. Simple, it's just like, that makes it a complicated system that I'm saying we don't really need to get into. What?
Those messages all got sent in like 5 seconds. It was like, "Grr."
Oh, nice. Alright. So let me do, what was I doing?
Which side should the money be on?
Wherever there's space, to be honest, it doesn't really matter. Wait, why doesn't this work? Why isn't the thing fading anymore? Oh, that's why, that's why.
Why is auto size broken?
I don't know. It's not working for me either. But I did a like solution to it.
What's your solution to it?
Well, for me, it was like putting stuff on the second line, which I didn't want. So I just increased the X
Oh, I fixed
scale a lot.
Fixed it.
How?
Oh, okay.
How'd you
You
do
have
it
to
for
align
me?
it center. You line it center, and you get rid of all other things in other lines.
Mine is line centered.
What did you need centered though?
Well, I do time survived colon and then a number, and it makes this large number because it's a float. It's not an int. But I want to get rid of the last 2 decimal points. How do I do that? I mean, I only want the first 2. Do you know how to do that? I did it before, but I forgot how. Freddy?
What?
You know how to get only have like a number, point, and then the next 2 decimals? No
Do I
more
know how to
than
what?
have a float have no more than 2 decimals.
Oh yeah, you should be able to do that. I don't know how you do it though.
Okay. Oh, I could do
know why this
math f
isn't
dot
working?
round.
Yeah, you know why this isn't working?
What's not working?
Give me a second. I can't see the $sign. Also, how should I do this? Because I really don't like Unity's UI system. How should I do this? I want to have the, what's it called?
The text.
Yeah, I want to have this grouped together, but it's really hard to, if you were to do this in Godot's UI system, it would be 10 times better. I really dislike Unity's UI system in this way. Actually, in basically all ways, I don't like it.
Okay. Well, do you want to group the money and the text?
Yeah, look, the money doesn't change size at all when I'm doing this.
It's because
Do
it's
this.
not. Just change it to scale instead of that.
Why? Why should I have to do that? That's so weird.
Because is it an image? It's not an image, it's a sprite
Right.
renderer. Make it an image. Yay, time survived 1 second.
How do I center it, like, so that it's on the edge? Because look at this. Half of it's off the screen when if I anchor it like this. I want it to be like this.
Well then anchor it to the top left and then move it. Set its pivot point.
Look at this, though. See this? It's outside.
It's because it's a child of game object, I believe.
Yeah, but I want them to be childed. I want them to be like... I want them to be like this.
Well,
I want them to be in a group. Apparently that's not something you can do easily in Unity.
I mean,
Which is really stupid, once again.
not really sure what to tell you. I don't really. I mean, I'm not like the master at Unity's UI, so I don't really know, but I'm guessing there is a way to do it. So, Oh, that's actually really smart.
Got it.
Wait, but oh yeah, that's smart. Oh yeah,
Okay.
that's smart how that guy does it. So he multiplies it by 100, rounds it so it will make it an integer, and then after he rounds it, he divides it by 100. That's smart. And I just saw like a small bug fly in front of my eye. I don't like small bugs. No. Alright, since I have no viewers.